Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect and integrate Contact Form 7 with PayPal. I am going to show you two methods. One will be using an add-on plugin and the second one going to be without using any plugin. Let's start with the first method by using a plugin. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and here look for Contact Form 7 PayPal. The first option on the left is the plugin that we need. Click on Install Now, wait for the installation to be completed, and then click on Activate. After you did it, you'll have a new option open up for you under the contact form called PayPal and Stripe Settings. Go there, and here you will have few tabs to use. The first tab, the language and currency, you have the option to change the currency to Euro or any other currency that you would like. In the PayPal tab, enter your PayPal email address or your merchant ID number. To keep it simple, I'm going to use my PayPal email address. In the other tab, you will have few optional fields, cancel page and success page. For example, if you created a thank you page, your customer will be redirected to that page after a successful transaction. And the last option is the redirect method. The default is method 2. Most of the time it will work. If for some reason your customer does not redirect to PayPal after submitting the form, come back here, change it to method 1 and retest the form again. Alright, so now let's click Save Settings. And after we saved it, let's go to our contact forms. And let's work with this cake decoration form. So click on Edit, and you will see a new tab on the right side called PayPal and Stripe. Here make sure to check the PayPal on this page and give a description to the item plus a price over here. Click Save, and let's navigate to the page where this contact form live. I have a page called Cake Decoration, so let's view it. Here we are going to fill the form in order to test the connection. So we're going to fill it just like we are a regular customer. I'm going to enter our name and email address. We can enter a subject line and the message that we want to appear on the cake, such as happy birthday. We're gonna click send, and if everything was set up correctly, we're supposed to be redirected to PayPal. So we get the green feedback and we can see that we are being redirected to PayPal. So this is working properly, it's all good. We did it with a plugin. Now I would like to show you how to do the same thing without a plugin. Alright, so as you can see here on my plugins page, I deleted the plugin and we don't have it anymore. Now we will need to go to PayPal and create a button that will contain the product name and the product price. So let's go to PayPal. From your dashboard, go to All Tools, and here click on Integrate PayPal on the left side. Click on PayPal buttons, and here we have few buttons to choose from. Now we're not going to display the button on our website, so we're going to choose a simple one such as Buy Now button, because we're only going to use the link of the button. Here we're going to describe what is the product, and here we are going to set a price for the product. Over here you can choose the currency too. Now if it's a physical product, you can add shipping, taxes, etc. And the step 2 and step 3 are optionals for more advanced options such as track inventory, loss, gains, etc. This is out of the scope of this tutorial, so we're not gonna do it. So let's click on Create button, and on this page you will have two tabs. Switch to the email tab, and this is the link of the button that we will need to link the form to. So go to my written blog post, scroll down, you have the link in the description down below, and you will find this function near the bottom of the page. So copy this function, go back to your WordPress dashboard, and here under Appearance, click on Theme Editor. Here look for functions.php and scroll all the way to the bottom. You can see many functions here. Your functions.php file may be empty. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Just paste the function that you just copy at the bottom of this page. Now here we can see that we have two things to change, the form ID and the link. Let's start with the form ID. Open the contact form settings page in a new tab. And here where the form exists, you can see the ID in the shortcode. So the ID of this specific form is 64. So we're going to change this to 64. And the link here is the link of the button that we just created. So copy this, go back to the function, and delete link here and paste the link that we just copied. Just like that, click on Update File, and we're pretty much done. We just need to test the form, make sure it's working properly. And in order to do that, let's go back to our cake decoration page. We are going to fill the form as customers one more time. Fill in your email address, your name, subject, and your message. I'm going to do it again really quick. And we will see that the form will take us to PayPal after we will click on the send button. Let's try, click send. We're getting the green feedback again, and now we can see the PayPal screen.